nande rero nariri tangani naro riro muntu utabwatie gasi ukorigeria ubwate gasi since no bisinde nego yon ka otana nkondale kondigeria gasi na ere tabwati gasi. Okay. And such is the paradox of life. Igori okondigeria gasi kindly manya tubwati gasi gendo rargeria gasi. Nje tonya konkumi. Tonkumeria yani. Wangina basta yo bagonti ganguchi. Basta babuna bara asta yo bagonti ganguchi. Nje gasi anere secure. Walimu ko ryo kerokya bogetutu karibu. Keroge keterikiani. Keroge kenekya bagetutu. N'abantu bakuru babatango goisaranso nabagetu. And I come to them with humility. Nanachete. Ebimo goteba nga muntu tanya koirora kero nachete mbatebete muntu tanya gochari mai. Ibona anarire. Ebi narete. Bantebete igo. Kanisa anja antukegete. Kaite kanisa yantikire. Kanisa naondeime. Andi niche noroche ndo motera rugamba mutegas. Nyegasi abana bari mwangete ke barango nyagukina bare. Koja kosuka bare nyonya bate abanamere chimbuche. Chimbuche is a sign of wisdom. That's why otora rero kwa gache kanisa ekwerende negitari. Nande Beyonce isengencho ya good collaboration of the church and communities. Because without the church, health and education in this country could be a disaster. Now, school public, we could be having a challenge. So, pastors, led by our president, thank you for the good work you are doing. The discussion in the political arena, okorigere na topic china na chikogambero. Health na education. Wana igorigere abana baitu wachakira kusamba school. Na ine topic lazima tuiangalie. Kwa nini watoto wetu wanachoma mashule? We have to make a decision that school populations must be relooked into. Schools are over-admitting na pressure you teriko ala onyana abana banyore nyane geties bago chies. That pressure will come to blow. Pastors, you know that better than me. Physical health and mental health. So school population and numbers lazima tuangalie. The health system, the kanisa totene netivo kongu, ntogendreo, usiri abantu baito. Kera ituko erasmote rungo moiri, amono mosani, ominyo kigutenwek. That's our mission hospital. Teri raisi yoko iunga, ominyo kigutwa Nyamira level 5. Kera nere rangega. General noire mata. Because our political leadership, ya tuigiri. Wanege tutigareti is the church. Tokoraga siamo na bari mukuriye birogo. This is a service. Karawa choriro always know this is a service. Okonogo korera abantu. Igasi ya siasa igenga pastors here. We are called to serve. Teligo yake igekuba na konyagoteba ni tutore ikerage. We serve the people, the community is able to understand. Letenkore kara njenda eti ukoransa nyingi. Security. Twachakira kwa bano boke bago bongi. Wana iga gusiye bintu bitarengo pastors sabirege sakugeto. Twachakira kwa biro. Montago taratawoni ebibago bya mochera n'ikinyimbo bamuita. Toro minuka gwa kwotebe nganere. Mambi na bako wikera nyana e pastor. So abarayi bari bakorya abasaye kubaka na kibesa goita abantu obuteri burayi. Obunoboke bako. and you will be treated as such. So we want to ask ekara tuchorire torwe service buna nyasaye ganititokorera abantu baitu.